Hi all, welcome to the channel. My name is Shanta and you are watching English with Shanta. Thinking in English is the first step to fluency. I have seen many people who struggle to do this, especially beginners. Your thoughts have to be generated in English for you to be able to speak fluently. If you are stopping every now and then, translating in your head and then speaking, your fluency will be badly affected. Not only beginners, I have also seen intermediate speakers who have to think in their native language before translating and then speaking. This will create a gap in speaking. You won't sound fluent. It will affect the way you speak. Very frequently, if you stop and think and speak, that will not be an effective communication either. So it's really necessary to train your brain to start thinking in English. Now, how to do that? This challenge contains the necessary steps. Within 7 days, your brain will be automatically thinking in English. Make sure to watch the complete video and be consistent with the steps mentioned. You must have watched a lot of speaking challenges, but this is a thinking challenge. Please take up this challenge and perform the tasks provided consistently in order to see results. It does not require you to spend a lot of time. You can easily blend it in your daily routine. This challenge will help you stop translating and think in naturally in English. Each day has simple exercises. Each day will include daily tasks, examples, and one challenge for you to perform every day. Even if you are an absolute beginner or a very busy person, it's going to be helpful to you. Without further delay, let's get into today's video. Day 1 is labeling your world. The task that you have to perform is look around and name everything that you see in English. It's as simple as that. For example, table, chair, window, book, mobile, bag, etc. Just start naming everything you see around you. If you don't know what a particular thing is called in English, look into Google and try to find out. This way, even your vocabulary will improve, your knowledge about English will further enhance. So, challenge for day 1 is make short sentences, short and simple ones, like the chair is blue, the book is on the table, the cat is sleeping. Even beginners can easily make such short sentences, right? So, this challenge is extremely beneficial for beginners. So, day number 2 is to describe your actions. Now that you have described words and objects, start describing your actions. Narrate your actions in your mind as in how you are doing them. Example, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm opening the fridge, I'm eating an apple. Challenge for day number 2 is describe what other people are doing. People around you, either at home or outside. Like the man is walking, the dog is barking, etc. Simple sentences of what other people are doing. That's your challenge for day number 2. Now, coming to day number 3 is talk to yourself. Start talking to yourself in English. Don't worry about what other people will think. If it bothers you so much, just pull out your phone and act as though you're vlogging. Have a small conversation with yourself in English. Example, how do I feel today? I feel happy because I had a good breakfast. Elaborate things as much as you want. Challenge is to answer a daily question. Just pick out some simple question, ask yourself and then answer. Like as simple as what did I do today? What do I want to eat for dinner? What do I want to wear today? Answer such easy questions. Ask yourself and then answer. Okay, so coming to day 4. In day 4, you have to use the what if technique. What is this technique is? Think about a what if question, a question that will start with what if and answer it in English. It's usually going to be hypothetical questions. For example, what if I had 1 crore rupees? I wouldn't say 1 lakh because you won't be able to speak more and buy more in 1 lakh. But if you had 1 crore, you could buy lots of things and your practice will include a lot of sentences like I would buy a nice house, an iPhone, some jewelry, something random, whatever your fantasy is, include the sentences in this. Or what if I could visit any country? I would go to Dubai because I want to see the Burj Khalifa. So whatever your thoughts or your wishes, you can include that. The challenge is explain why you want to do it, okay, in 2 or 3 sentences. Like this, create some questions starting with what if and answer them. Coming to day 5 is think about your day. At night, review your day in English. Look back and either summarize or elaborate. Example, I woke up at 7 a.m., I had coffee, I went to work, I watched a movie. You are just thinking here. Summarize your day in your mind before sleeping. The challenge is to add feelings. Okay, I was tired in the morning, but I felt happy after lunch. I felt disappointed at a meeting. I felt relaxed after coming home. Like this, add emotions and feelings to your sentences. Now, coming to day 6, it's about listen and repeat. The task is to listen to a short English podcast or video, 2 or maximum 5 minutes, and repeat the sentences in your mind. Example, watch a YouTube video in English and try to repeat what you hear. Best example is to watch YouTube shorts or Insta shorts and repeat after them. Challenge is summarize what you heard in detail as you heard it. Try to be as precise as possible. Now coming to the last day, that is day 7. Little bit we'll move a step ahead. So day 7 is storytelling time. Create a short story in your mind. I'll give you an example. One day I woke up late. I ran to the bus stop, but the bus was gone. I was getting really late for college. Then I met one of my seniors driving to college. He offered to help me. Like this. It need not be true, it can be an imaginary story. See, every day we have so many imaginations in our mind, right? The only difference is you have to do it in English. Challenge is try to make the story longer by adding more details to it. Very important, remember this. Each day, try to think in English for 5 minutes before sleeping. It's mandatory. This will help train your brain. So, what do you think? At the end of 7 days, it would have become a habit for you, and automatically your brain will start thinking in English. So, that was the 7 days Think in English challenge. Did you like it? What did you think about the video? Tell me in the comments. Share it with friends and family who are struggling to think in English. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care and keep practicing.